Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style curry cow foot with butter beans. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm using to make the curry cow foot. So this is the cow foot. I'm going to curry, and this is one large cow foot cut up. So to season the cow foot, I'm going to use some garlic paste, some green seasoning, Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and some better pack curry. Here I have some scallions chopped up. Here I have some sweet pepper and onions chopped up also. Over here, sir, I have one Scotch bonnet pepper. I have half of an onion also over here. This is 2 carrots cut up also. I have some fresh thyme, 4 cubes of garlic, and some pimentos. Here I have 1 can of butter beans. Now I'm going to wash the cow foot with salt and lime. Now I'm going to season the cow foot. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon curry powder. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, but I'm going to burn the next one in the oil. So 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 tablespoons green seasoning. Now I'm going to massage the seasoning in the cow foot. See how beautiful this is, my people. Now I'm going to put it in this bag and put it in the fridge to marinate overnight. Okay, so the cow foot going to marinate overnight in the fridge. Going to have a better flavor. I'm not going to have the time to cook it today because I've been cooking all day today. So I put the carrots in water so they keep fresh. And I put these in Ziploc bags so they stay fresh. So I'm going to cook in the morning. So see you in the morning. Grand Rising family. Look at this. Cow foot well marinated up in the fridge for over 16 hours. So time to cook it. Okay, this the pot I'm going to curry the cow foot in. So I'm just going to light up the stove. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So I start off by saute onions. Now garlic. Pimentos. One tablespoon curry powder. We'll burn the curry in the oil. Now I'm going to pour the cow foot straight from the bag. All the seasoning in there. So I'm going to leave it open for about 10 minutes. Just going to turn them, constant turn them over for 10 minutes just that the seasoning don't burn inside of the pot. Now I'm going to add water. I'm using hot water from the kettle. So now I'm giving it a stir. Cow foot take 2.5 hours to cook, right? So the water going to dry out. So each time the water go down, I have to open it up and add more water to it. Okay? So I'm just going to cover it and leave it until we need to add more water to it. Okay? Okay, now the water dry out, so I have to add some more water to it now. You don't want to put the water to cover the meat, okay? Because you're not boiling the meat, okay? So as soon as it dry out back, I'm going to add some more water, okay? Remember, it takes 2.5 hours to cook, so it's not time to add the rest of seasoning, okay? We're just going to cover it up until when it dry out, me add some more water. Okay, it's an hour and a half since the curry cow foot cooking. Look at that. Now I'm going to add fresh thyme. I'm going to add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Here I'm going to add sweet pepper and onions. Going to stir. Now I'm going to cover it up for another 15 minutes. Okay. Now I'm going to add the carrots. Now I'm going to add the scallions. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover it up for another 5 minutes. Look at this. Is it tender? Let me know in the comment if it's tender, okay? Now I'm going to add the butter beans. Now I'm going to stir it up. See how nice this is? Now I'm going to cover it up for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the cow foot ready to serve. Okay, this is it. Cooked to perfection. Jiggly. See this? Cooked to perfection, my people. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. Going to serve it. So here you have it, my people. Curry cow foot. I'm having it with some steamy white rice. See that? Taste test. Cooked to perfection. See that? This is so good. Let me know what would you eat yours with. Thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Peace out. See you in the next video.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.